Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi portable photo printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. You can't factory reset this device using the reset button or power button. You need to do it using the Mi Home application. To do it, you need to find the Mi Home app. In the Mi Home, find your printer and then click on the three dots button on the right top corner. Then scroll down and find Delete Device button and click OK. Cool. Printer was successfully removed from your device and it was factory reset. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.